Friends and family, over here we have another question presented before us. What is the difference between the LCM and HCF of 8 and 12? This is on Computers Online Maths. If you are a returning subscriber, I want to appreciate you for watching our videos. I'd like you to share our videos. And if you are a new subscriber, I'd like you to subscribe as well as follow this particular page or channel. So now let's just dive in straight into this question. Okay, to approach this question, what do? What is the difference between LCM and HCF? Alright, first of all, you have to know that difference means minus. How do we get the difference? Alright, for us to get the difference, we're going to subtract the value of the LCM, and that of the HCF. So first of all, find the LCM of 8 and 12. And to look for the LCM of 8 and 12, I write 8 like this and I have 12 here. So I look for what can go 2. 2 will give me 4, 2 will give me 6, 2 here will give me 2, 2 here will give me 3, 2 here will give me 1, 2 cannot go. And 3 will not go. I have 3. Alright, so therefore LCM of 8 and 12 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. I have this 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 3, I have 24. Alright, so the value of the LCM is 24. So now let's look for the HCF of 8 and 12. Highest common factor. So let me use a shorter method. HCF of 8 and 12. Alright, so to derive the HCF of 8 and 12, what do? I write 8 here, I write 12. So when I look for a number that can go and it gets to a particular place that both sides the values, nothing can go, I will stop there. So here I have 2, I have 4, I have 6, something can still go, right? So I have 2, I have 2 here, then here I have 3. Also, as you can see, the last values here, 2 and 3. There's something that can go that will give us a whole number, that is a perfect number, a whole number. So therefore the HCF of 8 and 12 will be 4. So now say therefore HCF of 8 and 12 is equals 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. So now let's answer the last part of the question that says the difference between the LCM and the HCF. So therefore the difference is equals to 24, which is the LCM, minus the HCF, which is 4. So the difference is 20. So that gives the answer to the question. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, as well as follow and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.